welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. So glad you can join me today. Today I'm just going to take you on kind of like a organized around my home tour. Kind of sounds silly, but sometimes it's better than just seeing somebody go through their things and set up the system, to just be able to go in and see the different systems and how they're working. I have my 5 major tips on organizing, and that is declutter. Only keep what you're gonna really be using, because you don't want to organize and have a bunch of stuff that you never use. So declutter and have what you're actually going to use. Separate everything. Have a home for everything. You know, everything has a home. That is the number one organizing tip. Label everything so that it is so easy to put things away, and it's clear. It's right there what everything is. Have a system that works. Don't create some huge spectacle if it's not going to be sustainable, and it's not going to be something that you can keep up with and the rest of the people in your home. And the 5th tip is teach everybody in the house, obviously not a little kid, a little child, but everybody that might be putting things away or going to look for something, teach them where everything is. And typically it should make sense, so it should be easy to follow, like I had said. And so those are the tips, because if all those things don't happen, it's not something that's going to be sustainable. So try those 5 things. Get some ideas from what I show you, what I've done. I'd love to hear ideas if you have them. Because, hey, organizing is just a continual thing, and sometimes we find better ideas. I've certainly done that recently in my home. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you'll take 2 seconds to subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. It really helps me so much. In a pantry, it is always the best if you can keep everything together, all like items together. All of your canned food, canned foods, boxed sides, pastas, sauces, your cereal or breakfast items, snacks, baking items, Tupperware, any of the kind of things that whatever you keep in your pantry, just keep all like items together. To have a baking drawer that is all for kind of additional baking items that aren't in my pantry, more decorating type of stuff. So I have these cute little containers I absolutely love, got them on Amazon, and I just keep all of that together, and just right next to it, which makes sense, is all of my baking tools, essential tools. When I set up my medicine drawer, obviously my kids were older at the time, and so I wasn't really worried about it. So what I recently did, since I have 2 grandchildren now, I went through and just put in the medicine drawer just things that are not anything that would be hurtful for them. And then anything of like actual medicines, I put up higher and away, but I label everything so that everybody knows what we have and where it's at. In our home, we have a lot of different teas, and I like to keep them all separated just so that if we're looking for, a mint herbal tea, or we're looking for some kind of a tummy tea, we all have it separated so that, you go in and you look to find or needing to find. I found these ones at the Container Store years ago, but I do know that they have them on Amazon as well, and they really are nice for separating your teas. I have all of our games. I used to have them downstairs in the basement for the kids to play with, but since we do more of our playing games upstairs, our board games, I decided to bring them up and reutilize our hall closet for my extra pillows, my pillowcases, and also our board games. Again, things have to make sense if it's going to work. My linen closets here have really worked out great. I've got my storage for my candles. I've got extra towels. I've got an area for paper towels, extra diapers. All my sheets that go to different areas of the house. These gray bins or kind of like bags were from the Container Store years ago, but they're really, really nice. And then these bags I got on QVC to carry all of my blankets, just to keep them all organized and everything. They work really great as well. My hall closet here with all of our backstock of body and home needs, more personal care type of needs, that is one area that I have completely redone. I used to have almost like shoe boxes that had each individual type of item all in there. So I could pull down a box, get it out, whatever I was looking for. But I found that it's much easier to see what you have and not overbuy if it's lined up and you can see. A lot of times I would find in the boxes or the shoe boxes, I didn't always know how many soaps I had, or that were actual, like hand soaps, or were they body wash, because they were all together. So this way I know exactly what I have and how many I have, and it's working much, much better. I've showed my crafting area more recently, but with new subscribers and maybe you didn't see it, I just wanted to show how easy it is if you've got a craft area or whatever your needs may be. The acrylic bins are so nice because I can see exactly all the paints I have. I have them by colors. We do a lot of the painting of the canvases with family when they come over. So it's just nice to have all of my supplies, and it's all labeled and marked, and I know exactly, and anyone can go in there and find it. Any of our extra crafting stuff that we maybe don't use so often, I have everything labeled. Again, I did the same thing as in my linen closet. I went through with my cleaning supplies and also took them out of the boxes, the shoe boxes, so I could actually see we have a huge amount of cleaning supplies. So I obviously know I do not need to buy any more for quite a while. So, but now I know, because I see exactly how much we have. So all those tips are great to use, because then you know what you have and you don't overspend. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will take a couple seconds to hit that like button and subscribe and join our family here. I've got lots of really fun stuff coming up. And please make sure you go and check out all my fall series, decor, organizing, front patio, back patio, home decor, Halloween. Check it all out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.